So super sunny out here in Texas today. It's about 75 degrees, a little windy, but it feels great. It's beautiful out, as you can see the sun. It's just open space. Found a nice parking lot to come out here and show you guys the finished product. All right, I'm gonna do a little walk around. So obviously here you have the driver's side rails that I was putting together actually on the truck itself, and it's bolted in. Super sturdy. I'm pushed on it, I kicked on it, I did a few tests. As soon as you put all those little bolts in, it's just great metal. Everything is just perfectly engineered. So that's the walk around for this side. If you look at the truck this way, that's what it looks like. And obviously it's gonna look a lot better once I get the cargo. That stuff's on the way. So I got the fuel tank, got the cargo boxes on the way, universal mounts and everything coming in. Okay, so here we go, is the finished crossbar racks here. Just enough space between the actual window, so it's not all up in your window area either. It doesn't hinder vision either. So these bars were the second to last step. You put this on, then you put these on, and that was pretty easy. So here it is. It's gonna look great once it's all blacked out when that actual cargo gets here. Leitner Designs. So yeah, I'm sure you noticed I gotta cut this. I'm actually gonna do that once I finish this clip. So here is where it's bolted. This is really where you get that strength from. Just the engineering of this thing is fantastic. I'm amazed. No complaints. Perfect. The installation wasn't crazy hard. I thought it was going to take me forever, and it didn't. Yeah, you see Deadpool's little baby over there. I actually just put that on there today. Bam. There we go. I'm super excited.